This is Kelly Jones from the GBTC. I'm hanging out today with Mindgrub Technologies as part of our No More Box tour. I have the privilege to visit and sit down with Todd Marks, who's the president and CEO of Mindgrub, to discuss the company and see if he can give us his insights on Baltimore's growing innovation community. Hi, Todd.
Hey Kelly, how are you doing?
Good. So can you tell me how Mindgrub came into existence?
Yeah, actually I started Mindgrub years ago as an independent consultant. I made the displays at BWI Airport, the arrival and departure screens. That was my first contract. Then I dabbled in DoD, which is really hot in this area, but really wanted to do the most innovative stuff, the most cutting edge commercial product development. So I ended up working in New York for a number of years. And I was doing front-end development, social media implementations, and then the iPhone came out. I had filed some patents on location-based services and was working with Windows Mobile, but when the iPhone came out, I knew that was a game changer. So quit my job, started hiring students, and we started working in my basement. I'm now in our new basement of our new company headquarters. But started in my home's basement, got up to about 5 employees, just focusing on mobile and social at the time.
That's great. So what are some examples of the type of applications that you've built?
Oh gosh, so we have Mindgrub's professional services and we have a product Via Place. Some of the hottest apps that we've been doing are leveraging Via Place for location. We're working on a really cool app for University of Las Vegas to give you discounts and specials when you walk across or walk through the strip in Vegas. Everyone loves Johns Hopkins app locally that we did because it gives you custom walking directions across campus. We're doing a really neat dealer locator for Yamaha right now. So for Yamaha outboard motors, if you're in a lake and your motor breaks down and you need to get it serviced, it uses Via Place to get you to the local service center and send over all your service and warranty information. And those are just the apps we can talk about. It's been a really good market for us, and we've been really growing within mobile and social the last couple of years.
That's great. So what are your future plans? What does the future hold for Mindgrub?
So mobile is, the big shift right now in 2012. More people in the United States are going from accessing the internet on desktops and netbooks to mobile devices. So we're going to be staying in mobile for the next couple of years as it goes from the early adopters to the early majority. It's going to be a very hot market. But we're already starting to do research and development with augmented reality. Anybody that makes hardware glasses that you can overlay the internet, we're buying those products and doing R&D with them. We do a lot of work with speech recognition. We've partnered with Nuance Communications, and we've done a lot of voice recognition, speech recognition. So where we see things going is being able to wear your Oakleys with your Bluetooth headset and your mic and be able to get the digital world mapped over your physical location. And we'll be the guys writing the most cutting-edge software to achieve all that.
That's very cool. So can you tell me a little bit about what your thoughts are on Baltimore's technology community? Are there any needs that you feel that need to be addressed?
Yeah, absolutely. There's a lot of needs, and I'm working in a lot of groups right now to really address those needs. I, as mentioned, worked in New York, and when I wanted to start my company, I came back to Baltimore. Because the cost of living is 30 to 40% less, but there's phenomenal talent in this area. So we happen to be here just off the Beltway near the University of Maryland, Baltimore County, and hire a lot of our engineers from UMBC. We also pull from Stevenson, Hopkins, Loyola, Towson, and College Park. All the local schools have phenomenal talent. There's also a lot of mezzanine investment in this area. So if you can get to the point where you're doing 5 or 10 million, there's some really good investment vehicles and companies available there. What we really need right now is to reduce the friction that it takes to start a company. Baltimore is really a risk-averse area, so a lot of startups have a hard time trying to foster their companies in this area, and they end up going out west or they go to New York to get the support structure they need to get through those friction years, going from 1 employee to 10, going from $0 to a couple million. And that's the hardest part. We got into a really explosive market, with a really bright group of people, and so we were able to do very well. but it's a very, very difficult road for entrepreneurs to go from 0 to 60 those first couple of years without a good support structure. And it's really emphasizing that support structure and growing it that's needed in Baltimore. And fortunately, there's a lot of organizations like the GBTC that is entirely focused on that now.
Great. So if people want to get in touch with you or with Mindgrub Technologies, how should they do so?
You can call us at 1-888-MINDGRUB, MINDGRB, because it's got to be 7 letters. You can always email me too, which is tmarks@mindgrub.com, or just pick up and call our 410. Also, you can always see our website, www.mindgrub.com, and Via Place, which I mentioned, is www.viaplace.com.
Thanks, Mark. Well, it was great talking to you today. I wish you and Mindgrub continued success. I see you have that, you're ready to play
Yes.
some ping pong.
Yeah, we're waiting.
We're down in the vault.
Yeah, we're waiting. Actually, I think we're going to start a Baltimore ping pong league amongst tech companies.
Okay.
I've seen a couple other ping pong tables prop up at a few places recently, so
Yeah.
hopefully we'll get that going.
Actually, Andrew just sent a tweet indicating that he was listening to the sounds of the ping pong table over at BTS. So
Yes,
that may be a future challenger.
Yeah, I told them, right now it's Catesville versus Locust Point, but Towson, Canton, Fed Hill, if you guys got some tables, get in the league now.
Great. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you guys.